Hey everyone, well today's the day where I'm gonna finish up most of it. I'm gonna cover up my battery, my electrical, and I want to do another coat on the back side, a coat of polyurethane on the back side of these drawers and my cutting board. And yeah, that is pretty much what we're gonna do today. And then I think I have a camping adventure for you guys. So I'll see you in a bit. Just gonna do some measurements. I'm gonna mark it out. I don't have a jigsaw, so I think I'm just gonna use my skill saw to cut out the little notches. It shouldn't be anything major. Even if I make a little bit of a mistake, it's gonna be carpeted anyway, so it is what it is. So. So yeah, I made a little bit of a boo-boo. I had too many guidelines and I should have did better markings. So I cut the piece too short. I do have a solution. I think I'm just going to cut a piece the same size. This is gonna be carpeted anyways. No one's ever gonna notice it once I carpet it and stuff. So yeah, that's gonna be it. All right, I'll see you in a bit. I also put another coat of polyurethane. I'm just waiting to dry on the back side of these drawers. And yeah, I think I'm gonna probably just start cutting that piece and then carpet, and yeah, we'll go from there. Thanks. Hey everyone. So I got my measurements for this little foot piece because I made that mistake. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it and then test fit it, and hopefully it works. Oh, that's actually not too... Well, give that 5 minutes and then we'll carpet that and then we'll start over on the other side. Now that's complete. I totally forgot to film it, but just the way I roll sometimes. Sorry, get a little bit. But now we're gonna start on the other side. Well, I've got the measurements, but that piece is not exactly square, so I'm gonna have to figure it out so it lines up properly. Yeah, I kind of screwed up on putting it in. I didn't really measure very good, so. this little small piece. I just need to sand it down to get it to fit a little bit. Kind of missed a spot on that one side, so I just have to wait for it to dry and tack up, and then I'm gonna be complete that. All right, I'll see you in a bit. While I'm at it, I'm just gonna, while I'm waiting for that, I'm gonna decide to just cut a piece off this so I can carpet this as well. There we go. Hopefully my measurements were okay. I had to accommodate for the carpet because the carpet takes over roughly about 1/16 of an inch on either side, plus the 1/16 of an inch on either side for the board. If worse comes to worse, I'm gonna have to maybe trim it down like a little bit more. And if it's a little loose, it's probably not gonna make a huge difference, but I'd rather it fit tight so that way it's not gonna move around on me at night. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Well, I got my guide piece in. I just need, I don't think this part is square. I think it's off just like a 1/4 of an inch. But I'm gonna try to make this even, so when I put the carpet on, it's not gonna jam in some spots. So I'm gonna measure the end piece. I'm assuming that's gonna be like at least a 1/4 of an inch out compared to the rest of this piece. So I'm gonna make a mark, and then I'm gonna just line it up with the other corner, and then I'm gonna cut it like that, and I think it should fit in there perfectly. All right. There. It's a little bit out of tolerance, but I'm not gonna worry about it too much. I'm gonna take a little bit of a break. It's pretty much campable right now. Ready to camp. I've got a few little minor things that I want to do on it eventually, but they could be done at a later date. I just want to get out and do a camping trip like so bad. This went way longer than I thought it was going to be. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. I've pretty much done everything I need to do so far. I'll probably make a couple videos when I do the divider in my truck and a few other little minor things, but I'll see you in the next adventure. Have a good one.